In our pursuit of physical fitness, there's a lot of focus and conversation on progression. We all want to progress to being better, fitter, faster, stronger, and more athletic versions of ourselves. And why not? That's one of the biggest reasons why we will undertake a fitness journey in the first place. But today, I want to briefly check in with you and ask you two questions. One, are you aware of another principle, another concept called regression? And two, if you are aware of it, are you still making judicious use of it in your fitness journey? Now, for those of you who are wondering, what do I mean by progression and regression? These are fitness training principles. Very simply defined, progression is a fitness training principle that improves the fitness and the ability of an individual by increasing intensity in different ways. Regression is a fitness training principle where one moves a notch lower, moves down to a baseline or a more simpler version of performing an exercise or a routine. Now, regression does not mean deterioration. Regression in tandem with progression will get you to your goals much better. So today I want to tell you or remind you, whatever the case may be, of three very important benefits of the regression principle of training. Number one, regression is the safest and the only way of building or teaching form and function so that you develop the right posture and you learn the right technique of performing an exercise, because really this is the foundation to moving to more complex and intense versions on protecting yourself from injury. Number two, regression is also a very powerful technique of making sure that you maintain this allegiance with form and posture even if you are a seasoned exerciser. Let me explain. Now, even for people who exercise very regularly, there can be days where they are not able to maintain posture of an exercise. Could be they are feeling unwell, they're recovering from an illness, they're tired as part of a very intense physical routine, or it's just an off day for them, whatever. So regression is a very powerful safety net which allows even a seasoned exerciser to regress to a simpler form of the exercise, correct themselves, and then once again proceed with intensity. And number three, regression is a fabulous way of building variety in your workouts. Yes, you don't have to be unilaterally thinking of only progression and intensity and running yourself into a wall with overtraining. Try switching back to the pacer versions of the exercises and do them a little differently. Load them up. Play around with speed and voila, you'll feel like you've worked out in a whole new way, whereas in reality you've only used the simpler version of the exercises. So, in a nutshell, regression is a balance to progression. The question is, are you hitting this balance in your fitness journey?